Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have a go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yeah, so we have come to this is part 3 of this 3-part series, and whether or not you want to believe it, Frawty was the devil incarnate. So listen what as you have heard and listened to what he has done to even women. A woman that he was dating in same place in Portland. You can't leave him. So a new era of fearless truth-telling. The Jamaica Young Police channel stands strong. And with that, we have come to the end of part 3 in this crippling 3-part series. But don't think for a second that the story ends here, because we are just started. What you have heard throughout this episode is not only shocking, it's a powerful testament to the resilience of our people, our law enforcement officers, and our unwavering commitment to expose the truth, no matter how dark or dangerous it may be. For far too long, many Jamaicans lived in fear of criminals, fear of corruption, and fear of speaking out. But those days are quickly becoming a thing of the past. Today the tide is turning. Jamaicans both within the police force and civilian population are standing up, refusing to remain silent. They are no longer afraid to call out criminality, no longer afraid to expose those who have been hiding their wealth, power, and influence. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we take immense pride in being part of this new era. An era where truth, integrity, and courage are rising above the shadows of fear. We are celebrating this wave of bravery where Jamaicans from all walks of life, especially police officers who are fed up with the corruption, are taking a stand and demanding justice. Whether it's an officer risking their career to expose the rats within the force, or a civilian taking a bold step to report the criminal activities that have long been allowed to thrive unchecked. And these are the true heroes. This channel exists to amplify those voices, to celebrate those brave Jamaicans who hate criminals with a passion and are doing everything in their power to stop them. It's not just about the police, it's about all of us, civilians, officers, and everyday people who are tired of seeing our communities destroyed by crime. We are shining a light on those who risk everything to do what's right, who refuse to be silenced by the intimidation, corruption, and fear. That's how many criminals used to maintain their hold and power. But here's the truth. The series, this truth-telling, is just the beginning. We're not stopping here. We're just warming up. The Jamaican Young Police Channel is committed to bringing you more in-depth exposes, more voices calling out the criminals, and more stories that need to be heard. We will continue to hold those in power accountable and give a platform to the brave men and women who are working tirelessly to rid the streets of criminal elements. As we close this chapter, remember this: Jamaica is no longer afraid. The truth is coming out. Yes, and we are leading the charge. Our mission is clear: to expose the criminals who have long operated in the shadows and to stand with those who are making a difference. Stay with us, because the fight for a safer, fairer Jamaica is just beginning. And remember that we are bringing more revelation, more heroes, more truth than ever before. If you want to join the movement, if you want to support the brave Jamaicans who are standing up and speaking out, make sure you follow our channel and join our Patreon squad for exclusive content that goes even deeper. Together, we will keep exposing the truth. Together, we will keep fighting for justice. And together, we will build a Jamaica free from fear and corruption. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Go down. A Portland, St. Thomas area. All of them jug but. Frawty.
You know, they never got jail though.
Them man never need to spend a jail.
And them man control the police, them, you know, man.
They control the police, them.
Boy, hey, fair man, boy, the man just greedy. You have your place, and you have Batman broke, and boy, the man just thief, man. You know, you have. Them man they have thing, you know, them man they have a set of man, you know, go around, you know, and just thief car, you know, and cut that them around chop shot, you know, and sell it back, man. One time I down the man and see a youth, man, and me hear my talk, you know, and say, yo, tomorrow, man, when they wake up the car, they don't talk, they don't go there over there, so, and them did go move the car for real. Yeah, man, and the police, they end up catch them, and money run, and then cover up everything, so you know go back to that demand there. So no point back to him and them thing then? No point back to them and thing. And you see police, that's one thing we can't serve Jamaica as police and feel safe, because the same thing we have fight against and swear to protect are the same thing. Yeah, man, and most of police are criminal. May I tell you that you know much police. You can't be a whistleblower. You can't be a whistleblower and go to church, man. They say that. No, you can't. Hey, look here. Why you think me left the police force? Me left the police force a witness murder and robbery now. I'm becoming a few man whether they you can't trust. Yeah, no, you can't trust none of them. Man. ACP right now. We name MacArthur. Oh, MacArthur Sutherland, but him can't do so much. I know more. I want to tell you, say them not like him, no. Not even commissioner, not even Blake like him, you know. Kevin, not even the commissioner like him, you know. Because true MacArthur Sutherland too straight for him, you know. Straight. Yeah, man. That's why them have him now. That's why them have him now a year or two. Era 2. Yeah, man. I am sure that era 4 still doing it instead of Phipps, but them don't want him nowhere near. No, you understand? Them want to have him in a bush. Portland is going to Portland. Portland going to be a big upstairs. You know, crime. Shit go on there. Yeah, because the man them breed it. Anything else. And you see anywhere thing they go, crime follow, because the man them are bringing in a legislator for guy East Portland now. A criminal. Bridget, you know, say right now, you know, me have security clearance, you know, and if me even get a speeding ticket, I can fix that, you know, before me can go certain anyway in a government up at this. Yeah, well, I know. And it's supposed to be the same thing I had, because it's a democratic country. You get me? So hold on, so me ask you, so you have property at Jamaica? Yeah. So you have security clearance and have property at Jamaica? Or you under my name. Oh, Oh, okay.
My family them still down there.
Okay.
My family them still down there.
Because I'm still.
I'm saying when you're changing your sort of religion to the USA right now, Jamaica no more is American.
Because I still have my security. Me still have security clearance and everything with the DOD.
Security clearance.
And the thing is that you can't own nothing that even bank account.
No, you can't own nothing, man.
Yeah, but like any time for me retire and all them things, you can't get that,
Yes, you can. You can.
So much years are you in the army?
5 years.
Oh, okay. And
I got to be 5 years.
So which my station?
No, me there Georgia.
Oh, okay.
I move to West Point. Over the summer, I go West Point at the academy.
Oh, where you gonna go teach?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, boy.
Yeah, the system I had rigged, man. They need to fix it up.
It now go fix still, but the only thing, it was both political party, when it come on to police, it's just no.
PNP a criminal.
It's a criminal organization,
man. It's a cult, that man. It's a cult, man. It's a cult of man. Like it's a brotherhood.
True, man.
It's a cult, that virgin. It's a cult. You see our parties there. You see him come out, man, and we'll hear talk. Them man don't deserve to talk, brother.
Them man they Satan, man.
When me and you talk at teach high school, man. Oh God.
So Dudley Bryan and Pala and them youth there. You know Pala where soup now? Where deputy soup?
Yeah. Teach him, go be a teach old boy, brother. Yeah, man. Them man do nothing for Portland, brethren. Nothing.
Yeah, man. I whole heap of people them and them thing when they come out with Frawty business.
Yeah, man. I work for man when you say wood. Right now you have to use a push cart and sell juice around Buffett. I try to sell a juice. You boss a man to sell some juice here. All that you want money. I saw him greedy, man. Yeah, man, in a drop catch, brethren. Man in a drop catch.
So, but I'm not seeing much in funeral and them thing there, because man said Darrell Vaz is dead and them thing there.
Vaz I got dead because I bought you a bench.
Yeah, man. Then in my politician and them thing there, you can't tell him nothing. You can't.
He can't go anywhere. Not the idea. The man never can't. Frawty never been convicted for a crime. He never charged for a crime.
True. Never. Not even been arrested.
You can hear rumors.
Yeah, understand. Simple.
A high sat. Because I don't know who him get a license to practice law in Jamaica.
Because I corrupt, PMP and them we have to go fix it still though, We have to fix it,
Man. Yeah, man.
We have to fix it, and so we have to fix it from them thing, but
I say from and fix it.
Yeah, man. You understand?
But what me don't understand too, it must have some dirt because how come me not hear nobody from the opposite side a bonfire upon ISAT? ISAT no supposed to no chamber talk to judge.
Well, the reason, remember say, look here, the PMP, at them control the judiciary, Is a big man when I system him get Isaac Buchanan HIV, and so make Isaac get the lawyer business, get the lawyer thing.
If you hear that thing get over here, hear that thing that where they say, I am retire.
Yeah, man.
I'm retire from practice where they were clear. I sell them on the sell case, man. Them man in no practice law.
Yeah, man. Isaac Buchanan, man, a big rear admiral, man.
But I don't. The government too weak on themselves.
Well, the government apartheid too,
Apartheid.
Well,
I sat now no space. Because if I sat there and I burger, I sat can't flip I'm at McDonald's. But
something have done about it still, But you understand? And that's what I mean. Is why I'm using liquor upon the Prime Minister. Because if you have a convicted drug dealer, practice law in our country. You understand?
Practice law in our country.
I only thing why I'm using liquor upon him, but you see, based on what I say with the crime and them thing there. That's why some people say, liquor upon him again. But people don't understand, because it's all about security and them thing there.
You go from both. What you mean?
You understand? I just saw it.
Security. Anything and one thing. I love your slang, man. Departure lounge, man.
Yeah, man. Straight to the departure lounge, man. Yeah. Me not believe in another guy for going to hospital and them thing, sir.
Make chance you get rich, man.
Yeah, man. Me some mad, You understand? Straight to the departure lounge.
Yeah, man. Foolish, them, man. Me tell them, man. The system need to clean it up.
Well, it'll take time clean up on them things.
It'll go clean up, you know. It'll go clean up, you know. But them know what them are doing. Them are trying to push out the native Jamaican them still. Because when time the crime rate high rise, so you see Mr. China a decline from going to Jamaica. Them are going same way. No matter how the crime rate high, the Indian them are going.
Yeah, man, because them don't know say them are killing them thing. Unless them come rob them. Because them know say they kill them, they know say them are dead, you know.
Oh, you mean they know them are dead? And Jamaican people, you know, man, some sell out to, you know, them people love white man, you know. What? Same thing in the military, up at you.
That's true, man. No, hey.
If me approach a man, you know, and me talk to a Jamaican, you know, man, the man they hate it like a poison. Because you're not supposed to talk to them, man. And if a white man come, then clean all them shoes and burnish it and put it up and. Hey, so my Jamaican them a sell out still doing in the military, you know. Oh, good.
They're weak, you know, man. Hey, me I tell them, man. Hey, you saw when me night and them thing, man. I just because I show me an old detective, man. Me know if survive and you know use corroborative evidence and them thing, man. Them couldn't manage me. Hey, me get over 500 shit when me in Navy, you know. Up to now, them couldn't carry me gonna captain mass. Every time I get that shit, me have something for contact. Them try everything. Yeah, man.
Even the police force are hard because they try to send you to prison.
A two-time police tell like on me made up a court of inquiry. Yeah, you understand?
Yeah, man, me hear some man, me hear you drop it on some man. You see how the boy ass mouth there, you see?
A drunk of that, man. He might walk with Kane now, you know.
Me say over here in there.
Yeah, man, he's up in New York, man. I work at Walmart as security.
Yeah, man, me say over here in there, man. Because one time, me just live up in a thing, up in a Newburgh.
Yeah. Oh, that's upstate New York.
Yeah, man, me just live in a Newburgh one time, and me just say, Newburgh are next to West Point, you know. The military academy. I just a stone throw away from over West Point. Yeah, man, me just say couple old police around the place. Because as them do certain things, over here, so them see it. Yeah. So them run come. Ask more to leave the over here, son. Ask more to corrupt boy in the budget.
You don't have to tell them, man.
When I chuck and make a wood for nice. Yeah, man, ask more to John Crow.
You don't have to tell me, man. Man, the boy used to work, man. I dog that, man. He my ox.
Ask more to John Crow.
Two of them had two dogs.
Bungles are John Crow.
Me work with the whole of them. Me are the only man that burn fire upon them and him thing, man.
Yeah, me got to do a Frawty a billion here, you know. Me be fraction how money with bungles are. Most of bungles money, bungles make a Portland, they make it.
Me know, man, and the man have all house down there where all the thing there, you know, the gate, you know, rotten, I see, and the sea water, rotten it, you know.
I know you hear me here, and know me know exactly where that. I know that.
A man have all jet ski behind the house where I rotten down.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, but I know Frawty alone, man. And next day, me I will call him, man, because both be a whole heap of top.
Yeah, but a brother when you're in Cowboy, him have a auto parts from Mullins Road too. He come from Portland. One brother will come from Portland, my druggist too.
Oh boy, come.
I know
Cowboy, we just have an Agri Park, we just have a strip club.
I don't know. In
Cowboy Ranch.
Yeah, and in the Cowboy
right at chains at the stoplight at Hagley and Walton Park Road. Just like Cowboy, I don't know if I am seeing one.
He come from Portland.
Go see, boy. I know the auto pass we say that.
Yeah,
man, Portland, a couple of them well, did they? Some of them, man, they make the money and they not do nothing but corrupt the youth them against them.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Bring down nothing. And the funny thing is, you know, them saying for them kids, they don't even go to school in Jamaica. Them saying they go foreign school and then you watch another man kids destruct themselves like that. Yeah,
man, because it's all about power, you know, for control of the people.
All about power.
Yeah, man, and who have, you know.
Because look at Damien. Over here, little Damien today now. Damien.
In America.
Damien in America, they put Damien about 06 or 07, then send back Damien. In there run a little club first, club jingles, and then him just shut down that and then him granny drop out, so he have a plaza. It's a whole plaza around them one. It's
so them all lick him down on them thing, ne?
I mean, I'm telling you this. Them are going to lick him down to cover up
what them do?
the secret.
Because you don't know
He
what
might just a scapegoat. He don't know what in talk.
Why police them move fast but him still low, you know?
I don't know police are clocked with that man. Clocked with that. That's why they go in and catch him with the gun because the man they can't get gun. But I'm surprised they don't grant him none yet. That was because it's obvious, you know.
Because I'm a big labor right too.
Yeah, man, I'm a big labor. Man, a big time labor, right, man. And there's a boy like this, you know, he just have a boy. The man they have some known cool thrown him, you know, because he have a brother-in-law where the police and they full up a hole, don't send him here.
Yeah.
But they go around buff the other man they bring down death and destroy. And him start the killing about it.
Oh, Damien?
Him brother-in-law, Damien breed for him sister. Yeah, man, Steve then kill him 2020. Police end up put set him away.
I send him straight to the departure alone, sir.
Yeah, man, and if you see the youth when you're Damien, you know, you would even know because him look quiet. Yeah, man, but you know, as a silence, you go around it.
Not true, man.
Yeah, man, Portland, the whole sea coast, man, from your touch. Port Antonio, East Portland, go right back to St. Here.
Problem.
You remember when I just I left high school in 2000, 2001. Every young youth from Portland get rich. Every young youth from Portland get rich. At Frawty alone, about 3 Cadillac drive Escalade.
Bombard.
Yeah, man. Every young youth get rich now, man, because people are talking about Portland and Ray. Frawty, the man will start that, you know, the Pukuru, them boy, them man, they're the real flash sign.
Yeah.
Some youth named Pukuru. The fat daddy named Pukuru, they call all of them, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them it's last. When you talk about top smuggler, them man there.
Yeah. So what them they know?
They don't see me, man.
Oh, but them low key.
Not low key, man. I just see them man. Them man deal with woman like crap, man. About 10 of them, man. Them man they bring in woman. I find the daddy and the 10 of them woman that man. The daddy they married to a Colombian, I think, but the daddy, you know, the son I run a restaurant up a club there, Roots 21 restaurant. I want the best restaurant that's in Portland right now. Peter, yeah, man. But as me say, they might not mean like Frawty still as I say Frawty me, because they be not staying with the body girl.
What you say, them mean a Frawty?
No, man, they don't mean a Frawty. They're a bossy, man. Yeah, man.
And that's why Frawty dead, man. You mean, you know?
That's why Frawty dead, man. Yo.
You can't see yourself more like...
When them are left, when Frawty are left, when the woman are left, everything have to left with him.
That the man them say, man.
Yeah, man, you know, so I show a firebomb in a woman house, man. Garrett house, man. Show a firebomb in a Miss Garrett house, man. And burn up the car and burn down the house flat.
Right. The man, the evil man, just like, you know. But it's a joy talking, you know, man. You understand, squad?
Yo, bless up yourself, man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Anytime again, me will keep listening to the program, man. Anything again, anything. I don't know, Portland alone, me have intel fun like that. Kingston 11, Kingston 13, Kingston 7.
Yeah, man. Me like your thing, and yeah.
Yeah, man. If you come from Portland, the man know you. The man don't promote nobody from Portland. Police from Portland don't like them, man, brother. The police from Portland, man. The man just live on Frawty Pier Road. Yeah, man, a Frawty, I'm Godfather, man. From school days. From school days. I all of them guys see him lodge together. Yeah.
A true man, I'm Bungles on him, man.
Yeah, man, Bungles and all of them.
Yeah, man, all of them, and I see him clear. But you don't know, we'll talk later on them thing there in the squad. What the man name? Whether or not you want to believe, you heard it for yourself. Frawty was the devil incarnate. You know, listen to all the things that this man have done. You know, what he did to the woman's family. You can't leave him, or else you are killed. So any woman, once you sleep with Frawty, you become his property. So you understand what I'm saying? So we have come to the end of, you know, of this expose on Frawty's criminal enterprise. But believe me, there is much more to come about this man. The truth is just beginning to unravel, and you won't want to miss what's next. So stay tuned for the revelations yet to come. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.